Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate TD Bank debit card online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now activating your TD Bank card online is quite quick and easy. The first thing that you need to do is log into your TD Bank online by going to the TD Bank website and then log in using your bank credentials. And number 2 is navigate to debit card activation. Once logged in, go to the customer service or debit card services section and look for the option to activate debit cards. Now enter the card details, provide the required information including your debit card number, the card's expiration date, the CVV 3-digit code on the back of the card. And number 4 is confirm activation. Double check the information you entered, submit the activation request. You should receive a confirmation that your debit card is now active. And that's basically how you can activate your TD Bank debit card online. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.